this! Idol. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you the maximum speed test of Blade 10 EVO. So the basic specs of Blade 10 EVO are 60 volts, 1200 watts times 2 with the battery of LG battery 26 ampere, and also DNM air suspension plus with a damper. Guys, so if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. Okay guys, so now I will try the single motor. Hello, okay guys, so now let's try the maximum speed of Blade 10 EVO Turbo Gear 3 dual motor. Okay guys, so let's do this. That's all for today. So I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos.